our sport is already quite dangerous, and a day like today after the trucks is much too much. You just play Russian roulette and you can't see nothing, and so many huge rocks and stones. I like my sport and I like my job, but I don't want to play with my life. And today is not possible like that. It's much too much dangerous.
Today we start the stage 6, but the cars and track they did yesterday, so the stage was completely destroyed, really bad. And for the bike it was really bad. You know, a lot of riders, I think they crashed and was really dangerous. So hopefully they stop the race. I think was the smarter decision they take during the rally.
Ein bisschen ein verrückter Tag gewesen heute. Wir sind noch die ganzen Lastwagen-Autos gestartet. Die sind gestern die Etappen gefahren. Die ersten 100 Kilometer waren extrem gefährlich und hin. Also die ganzen Steine, was die Autos und die Trucks rausgegraben haben, waren unter dem Sand richtig versteckt. Es ist, glaube ich, auch extrem viel passiert. Und ich habe dann Ross Branch, der, glaube ich, jetzt im Fuß gebrochen, nur links gesehen. Und ja, ist gut, dass abgebrochen worden ist, aber eigentlich weiß man das vorher schon, dass das richtig gefährlich ist, aber da bin ich jetzt froh, dass ich gesund da bin und freue mich jetzt auf den Ruhetag.
Today we try to push from beginning, you know, and some driver do some mistake, you know, but okay. Matthew, he did a good navigation, and we drive all the way, you know, without any problems. We are quite happy, you know, to finish the first week of Dakar, you know, with a good lead.
It was a complicated day. We get lost after the kilometer 100, something like this. So we lost quite a lot of time, and after that we try to push to try to close the gap again with the guys in the front.